What made us decide to conduct Community-Based Monitoring System or CBMS? The lack of household level data, particularly disaggregated data, which are important in planning and policy formulation. The idea, who needs what? We don't know who and where are the poor or the marginalized sector that needs the attention of the city. With the meager resources of the city because of the many priorities, who or what should be given priority? CBMS is an organized way of collecting information at the local level through household survey using tablets. It is sanctioned by DILG as per DILG MC 2004-152 issued on November 2004. It has tools to diagnose poverty, identify appropriate interventions to targeted beneficiaries, and determines who are the poor, where they are, and why they are poor. Complete enumeration of all households and gathers data and information which are relevant and helpful in planning, programming, and project implementation, as well as disaster preparedness, climate change adaptation, and mitigation. The duration of the activity is from July 25, 2016 to November 10, 2016. The city has employed 185 enumerators, 53 editors, and 30 coordinators based on the qualifications set by DILG through the recommendation of the barangay captains concerned. Results and learnings. Availability of data, which we consider as our own. With this data, we can already identify appropriate interventions in addressing issues and problems that the community is experiencing. Guides decision makers and policy makers as to the programs and projects necessary to address the problems confronting the present situation of the community.